In this video, I want to try to quickly show you how you can use the photojournal style to show what you know in other Escience 8 and Social Studies 8 projects. So I've listed here quite a few different projects which you can use the photojournal style to present what you learn and what you know in these projects. So the 7 green ones are the ones I'm going to try to quickly show you some examples for. In the Knuckle Bones game for Social Studies 8, you take photos and describe what you've done. That's one way to complete the project. And this student, I skipped quite a few pictures, and step 5, pull as much meat as you can, and so on. And he set the PowerPoint to advance on its own. And that's something, as you use the photojournal, you can get, or PowerPoint, you can get quite good at using the different insert abilities that you find in PowerPoint. Google different animations. Social Studies 8 Spice Trade also, cinnamon buns, and she used Word document to paste her pictures onto and then put text in. And again here, just showing her project some more. And then the tessellations in Social Studies 8, you can use the photo journal as well, taking snips or photos of what you've done. And you could see where back in the other one, her original shape is this, and then she does some work to it to create the image that she's going to use for the tessellation. And then you can fill it in with color. I skipped quite a few steps on you, but here's one where she's used the same shape to make her tessellation. And then this tessellation is a flipping method, more simple, but again, the person creating it has used some PowerPoint insertions for her presentation. So arches, triangles, and gumdrops also, you see here that the rubric itself has the photojournal and expectations for what you need to do in the photojournal as well. And that's a third of your mark is the presentation and the photojournal. So in this one here, we see a picture of part of the experiment, and then building the geodesic dome. And the student shows us some humor here, which I gave a comment. And again, more pictures of the geodesic dome with their text captioning. And you also need for this one to give us some examples in your community of where triangles are used. And so this is an excellent picture of a scissor lift. And the Pythagorean spiral project, you can also use a photojournal to show what you know. And this is the first 3 triangles. And here I'm using a compass and more showing measurement. And I didn't show you all pictures here, of course, that the student sent in. And then also showing the math sheet that they worked on. And this was also sent in their drop as well, their submission. And you can also use it in the geocache project. And this is a blueberry field, so maybe some of you know where the part of our province that this is in. And if you guessed the Lower Mainland, you would be correct. And this is the geocache. Simple text title here. And then another project, the poetry project as well. And this student used personal photos to enhance his poetry. So fishing, very clearly fishing. A day of my life and his poem. Each of these pictures does reflect a portion of his poem as well. And he's also timed his slides. And then a limerick about a cat and Milo, the cat, as well. And that's 7 projects which use photojournal to present them. And basically the sky's the limit here. And as the first time you use photojournals, you might be a fairly simple PowerPoint. And then as you use them more and more, you can start to use audio and other special features of PowerPoint as well. And Googling those special features does give you even more information on how to use PowerPoint. Or give us a call. Have fun.